bitch said, whoosh. There, y'all. You know, it's been a little while. Trying to figure out some little content to do. Ain't really been motivated, but you know, we back, man. So, couldn't make a little POV for y'all. We got the stars. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. We got the stars, baby. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Hold up. Let's get this POV in for y'all, man. I'm gonna do a little ASMR for y'all, bro. So, let's get it. That bitch said, whoosh, whoop-pow! They're trying to get fake fast, man. Bro, the stars is crazy. Bro, I fuck with the stars, bro. I should have recorded that, but y'all don't know why I ain't recorded that. But basically, all I did was go to Chicago, had bro put it in, you know what I'm saying? You know, took it out, put it in, and you know, it wasn't really, you know, something too crazy, but I still should have recorded it. You know what I'm saying? I need to take this more, a little bit more serious, for real. But you know what I'm saying? It is what it is for right now. Damn, what the hell is they doing? Fucking weirdo. They're getting crazy with the pedals. Saucy. If you know, you know. What they on over there? Uh-oh. Police on our ass. Dog in this motherfucker. We got 57 miles in here, bro. Bro, the stars is so raw, bro. Bro put the little kid in the back. I'll show y'all in a little bit. But he put the little kid in the back. Just in case if something was to mess up, I ain't gotta go on the headliner. Cause I don't know how to get in there. You know what I'm saying? And I don't feel like paying nobody to go in there. So he left it out so I could just switch it out if I ever needed to. W-Mans. I don't know why I'm downshifting. You see this big Tonka coming through? Big Hellcat. What they be saying, Hellcat? You know what I'm saying? Durango Kizzy. Durango Cat. Rango Cat. Hell Rango. I don't know, all them names boo boo. I missed the track. But this is way better than the track. Somebody breaks terrible. I'll catch y'all when the light green. So I ain't trying to go too crazy. I ain't got tickets on this road. So I'm just really chilling, man. Bro, the wine is insane, bro. It's like I have a Hellcat top. This is crazy, bro. I want to get a tune so bad, but that warranty gonna get voided, and you know, I don't know if I'm ready for that yet. I just have to switch out my transfer case, bro. I was just doing donuts. If you would have seen on the Insta, which I probably don't follow, so I'm gonna link it right here. But yeah, I was doing some donuts, man. Yeah, transfer case went out, and I guess the transfer case, like, I guess it deal with like the all-wheel drive, whatever. You know, I never really knew what that transfer case was until it was messed up. Cause basically, like every time I turn my wheel all the way left or all the way right, it get to jerking. So damn. You know what I'm saying? So I was driving with a bad transfer case for like 2 weeks, bro. But it's all fixed now, so we cool. I bet I won't do no more donuts unless I take out that fuse, but you know, I really gotta be feeling good to take out that fuse. They must have knew me. I didn't know who that was. Man, but I'll catch y'all when we get back to it. Oh my God. I'll catch y'all when we get to another light. Alright, man, we back. Just trying to do a little POV, bro. I need to figure out some content to do. Like, maybe I could do like some day in the life stuff and include cars, you know. Like, I don't really know like what to do. I might just start seeing what other car people do and then, you know, try to pick up off of that. But I don't know. I'm probably just gonna start doing like some little day in the life, or like what I just do on a daily basis stuff, and then, you know, bring in the car stuff. But I don't know if I want to make this just car stuff or if I want to do like, you know, just daily stuff. I'm kind of leaning towards more like the daily stuff, because it's like, you know, I'm into cars and stuff, but it's like I ain't really, you know, super duper into cars. So I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do with that. But you know, as long as I stay consistent and keep going with it, you know, I'll be straight. So we're gonna start being more consistent on this channel, man, for sure. So I'm gonna give y'all one more pull. Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, this car is amazing. Let me stop cutting up out here. I'm gonna get a ticket. All right, y'all.